Welcome back to AI and Beyond. Today, we're diving into the top 3 artificial intelligence tools for 2025. Tools that are not just shaping the future of tech, but also changing the way everyday people live, work, and create. Whether you're a student, a professional, a creator, or just someone curious about AI, these tools offer powerful features that can save you time, boost productivity, and even unlock brand new possibilities you might not have thought were possible. So let's break down what makes each tool stand out, how you can use them in your daily life, and a few things you probably didn't know about how they really work behind the scenes. ChatGPT 4.1, the everyday AI assistant. First up is ChatGPT 4.1. This isn't just a slight update from earlier versions. ChatGPT 4.1 brings a whole new level of intelligence and reliability to AI conversations. At its core, ChatGPT is an advanced language model that can understand context, recall previous conversations, and generate human-like text responses. But what makes 4.1 special? ChatGPT Model 4.1 can now handle more complex instructions. You can ask it to summarize documents, draft emails, generate creative writing, solve technical problems, and even code. Its memory has improved, so it can recall details you mentioned earlier, making interactions feel more personal and less repetitive. ChatGPT 4.1 is multimodal. That means it can process not just text, but also images, charts, and diagrams. For instance, you can upload a photo of a recipe and ask for meal suggestions, or share a chart and request an analysis. Want to know how everyday users can leverage ChatGPT 4.1? Students can use it to help with homework, research, or learning new topics. You can upload class notes and ask for a summary, or get practice questions for an upcoming test. Professionals can draft presentations, write reports, automate emails, or get instant feedback on ideas. It can help analyze data or even write computer code. Content creators can brainstorm ideas, draft scripts, edit written work, and generate titles, descriptions, or even YouTube video outlines, just like this one. Personal productivity. Set reminders, create to-do lists, or even ask for help making sense of contracts and documents. What most people don't know. A lot of users don't realize ChatGPT can connect to other tools. With plugins or API access, you can integrate it into your workflow, like automating social media, updating spreadsheets, or syncing with calendar apps. Another hidden feature, ChatGPT can help generate synthetic data for projects, test business ideas, or simulate conversations for customer service training. And it's becoming better at agentic behavior, meaning it can perform multi-step tasks for you, not just answer single questions. Number 2, Midjourney version 7, the AI visual creator. Next up, let's talk about Midjourney version 7. Midjourney is leading the world of AI-generated images and visual content. While many people think of Midjourney as just a tool for making pretty pictures, its real power goes much further. What are the key benefits? Midjourney version 7 now creates hyper-realistic images, stunning digital art, professional quality product shots, and even detailed blueprints, all from just a few lines of text. The new version supports styles ranging from cartoons to photorealism, making it ideal for designers, marketers, educators, and casual users. It can generate images based on mood, atmosphere, color schemes, or even in the style of your favorite artist or photographer. New in version 7, video frame generation. That means you can create storyboards or short video clips directly from your prompts, opening up new creative opportunities. How everyday users can leverage Midjourney version 7. Small businesses. Instantly create marketing materials, social media graphics, product mockups, and ad creatives without needing to hire a designer. Students and educators use AI images for presentations, class projects, or as visual aids for teaching complex concepts. Content creators design YouTube thumbnails, podcast covers, banners, or even animated sequences for videos. Personal use. Make unique wallpapers, digital postcards, or personalized GIFs. What most people don't know. Midjourney can now work with your own photos. Upload an image and use text prompts to modify the background, add effects, or blend multiple styles together. Another lesser-known use, you can feed it a series of prompts and create a visual story, which is perfect for comics, illustrated books, or pitch decks. And with the new community feature, you can browse and remix images from other users, so you don't have to start from scratch. Number 3. Perplexity Pro, the research engine of the future. Finally, let's cover Perplexity Pro. This tool has quietly become one of the most powerful AI-powered research assistants online. While Google and Bing have tried to add AI features, Perplexity was built from the ground up to be an AI-first search engine. Here are some of the key benefits. Perplexity Pro doesn't just return a list of links, it synthesizes information from across the web, academic journals, and even paywalled sources, then gives you clear, accurate summaries. It can answer complex, multi-step questions, keep track of your research journey, and cite reliable sources so you know where the information is coming from. The Pro version includes deeper research capabilities, like uploading your own documents or data, and having the AI analyze, summarize, or cross-reference them with web sources. How everyday users can leverage Perplexity Pro. Students quickly research academic papers, summarize dense textbooks, or generate citations for essays and projects. Professionals stay updated on industry news, analyze trends, or gather insights for business reports in a fraction of the time. Writers and content creators fact-check information, dig up statistics, and synthesize research for articles, podcasts, or videos. General curiosity, ask why and how questions, and get instant sourced answers instead of spending hours digging through search results. What most people don't know: Perplexity Pro can follow up on your questions in a conversational thread, much like a chat assistant, remembering your context and helping you refine your search as you learn. Another secret: it can import and analyze spreadsheets, research papers, or even large text documents. You can ask it to spot trends, highlight contradictions, or even suggest what you should research next. Conclusion: to recap, the top 3 AI tools for 2025 are ChatGPT 4.1 for smart, conversational AI and task automation, Midjourney version 7 for next-level visual creativity, and Perplexity Pro for AI-powered research and knowledge discovery. Each of these tools is not just for experts. They're designed so that anyone, no matter your background, can use them to save time, get creative, and unlock new opportunities. The best part is, these tools are improving at a rapid pace. Features that seemed impossible last year are now available to everyone. If you're not already using at least one of these tools, you're missing out on what AI can do for you right now. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try, or if you want a deeper tutorial on any of these. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on AI, tech, and the tools shaping our future.